Okay, so good day traders, hope you guys are doing very well. Now in this video I'm going to be discussing everything about finding key support and resistance levels. Now the point that we are in the market is a point of consolidation. Now if you're checking in most pairs, let's check in with GBPSD. If you go to the daily time frame, if you look at everything, we see we are in a consolidation. And if you check in ADSD, we could see that we're in a consolidation. And if you also check in USDJPY, you could see we're in a consolidation. So mostly in this case, what we are not talking about is trend. We're not talking majorly about trend, at least for now that the market is in a consolidation. We're not talking about trend. We're talking about finding support and resistance levels in the market. This should be like the main focus. Remember, we are not focusing on trade right now. We're focusing on key levels, support and resistance. Now for this, I'm going to be using ADSD for example. Now if you go into a pair like ADSD, you can see that we're in a consolidation. Now whenever you're in a consolidation, you need to find out two major things. You need to find out the resistance of the market, the point that the market hits and it just goes down immediately, and the point that the market goes under and it hits. And these are the major things you need to find out whenever a consolidation is being talked about or being considered. So now if you're looking right here on ADSD, you can see that this is the topmost part. This is the resistance of the market, that whenever the market hits here, just go down immediately. So we're going to mark that point in, and then we consider that this point right here is the support point of the market. So whenever the market just hit this point, it just starts to go up. You understand? Now there's one other point that I don't hear people talk about, but it's actually in a consolidation. Now in a consolidation, there's the upper part, there's the middle part, and there's the lower part. If you look very well in any consolidation, you see that there's a middle point that the market finds it hard to break. So let me show you guys in ADSD. So let's use ADSD here for example. Because there's something, if you strain your eyes very well, you see what I'm saying. In ADSD, the middle point, just like the market is finding it hard to break within that area. Now once you've already figured out the topmost part, the lower part, and the middle part, there's always a middle part in a consolidation. I've given you guys one hint right there. Now once you've already found that and you want to trade any position, the next thing you need to look out for is the reaction of the market. Now whenever I'm looking out for a reaction in the market, I'm mostly checking out for candlesticks. Now there are two major candlesticks that you really want to look out for. There's the inverted hammer and there's the hammer. Now the inverted hammer looks like this. Now this inverted hammer mostly appears in a resistance point in the market. Now whenever you see an inverted hammer, the next thing you want to see is another red candlestick to be sure that the market is going down. Now let me check if I could see inverted hammer anywhere here. So let me check in the 1 hour time frame if I could see an inverted hammer. Now if you check in right here, we could see an inverted hammer right there. So the market hit the resistance and then we could see the inverted hammer. Now if you could see right here, we're seeing another reaction just like the inverted hammer. This is to show that this point is really a good point and the market can really go down, and that's why the market actually went down from this point, you know, this candlestick and everything. Now remember those 3 points that we said we want to check out in the consolidation. Now the market is reacting at the middle point. That point is really a key level. So that right there is one of the candlesticks that you want to see whenever the market is in a consolidation. Now for the lower part, whenever the market is in the support and we see this hammer candlestick, it means that the market is going to go up. Now if you can see right here, we have a hammer candlestick. Now just like we said, whenever we're seeing any of this candlestick, we want to see same color of that candlestick by the side of it. Then once you see that, is valid. Now if you can see right here, the market printed another green candlestick in the support of the market. You could really see the whole uptrend that actually happened here till when price gets to this resistance in the market. So now I've really showed you guys how you can find support and resistance in the market. Now if you want a simpler way that you can draw in support and resistance without really to find out market reaction, you can go ahead and use the Fastball app. Okay, so let me show you guys how you can get support and resistance within the Fastball app. Now I'm still going to be using the ADSD 4 hour time frame, which is what we have here. So what you have to do is that you just have to go to the Fastball app. By the way, I've already left the link in the description of this video and in the comment section, so you can just go ahead and tap the link and download the app. So what you have to do right now, once you've already have this part of the app, what you need to do is to go to data. So tap on the data section. Now in this data section, you can see support and resistance. Now we're going to be working with ADSD. So now let's go ahead and plot in the resistance of the market since the market is at its highest point. Now the first resistance is 0.66041. So let's go ahead and plot that in the market. 0.66041. Let me keep it at 0.40. It's not bad at 0.40. So this is, you can see how accurate this resistance is in the market. So currently the market is moving there. So this is the resistance in the market and the market is already reacting to it. You can see the market is at the highest point and it's already reacting to it. Now if you want to get the support in the market, you can still come here then check for the support one. The first support of this market is 0.65799. So we're gonna go to the first support that if the market is dropping to, should drop to that point. So the first one, 0.65799. Let's drop it at 798. Is not bad, which if you look at it, whenever the market gets to this point, it just create another candlestick and return back up. Now let's look for the second support in this market. Second support in this market is 0.6564. 0.65646. So we already got that point, 0.65646. Now if you look at it, the first bar the market dropped, it was even this area that it hit, then it went up. So as you can see right here, this fastball app definitely gives you, accurate support and resistance. Now if you want to go ahead and download this app, you can go ahead and check in the description of this video and in the comment section. I'll leave it there for you guys. So if you guys did like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. If you're not yet part of the family, make sure you go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.